All right, guys, we're going to show you how to set up the workaround for the printers to auto start when you restart your computer. We're going to take a look at the printer service here. We're going to right click, hit Task Manager, and we're going to look for the remote printer, which is here. I will right click on it and hit Open File Location. So we want to get to the actual file location where it runs. On the start, we're going to hit Run, and you're going to hit Shell Startup. And that's going to open up your startup, I guess, folder. Now what you want to do is we want to be able to hit Properties. The other option is you could go to New. We want to hit Shortcut. And then we want to get to the location of this. So I pasted in the browser location. We're going to hit Browse. And then you're going to select the actual executable file and hit OK. And once done, you'll hit Next, Finish. So as long as you have this shortcut there, and just to validate that it's working, we're going to exit out of this, and we'll double-click the shortcut. You want to make sure that it loads. Now what we'll do here is we're going to close out, and then we're going to do a restart of this computer. And we're going to give that a minute, let it reload. So we'll let that load up, and we'll just make sure the remote printer service is starting. So it looks like everything is started now. So just to validate, I'll double click, and everything looks good to go. So doing that workaround should help, and then in the meantime, we'll be rewriting this into a service to prevent you having to do a workaround.